Hi everyone, today we are going to understand how COVID-19 pandemic has changed all of our individuals' life and how motivation plays a very important role in boosting the productivity of the employees. Now, while talking about employees plays a very important role in the organization. Many organizations term their employees as an asset for them, and nurturing their assets and providing productivity tools for their assets makes a need of an hour for the organization to understand during this crisis situation also. While restriction in the movement and as well as staying home and not doing any physical activity may give mental stress to the people as well as employees. They may feel depressed, they may feel anxious, they may feel sad, but understanding all these things, organization has to use the tool known as motivation. Now, how they can motivate their employees? The first tool here can be accepted as the communication. Because we are not in the office right now, the bosses do not have direct communication with the employees as he used to have before. Here comes the tool known as virtual communication. We all started having virtual meetings where we have connected towards our team. There is one manager who is communicating to all the team members what we are supposed to do in the next 1 hour or 7 days a week or next 1 month, what is our target to be achieved. Now, this virtual communication helps the employees to be connected with the organization, understanding what goals they have to accomplish as well as to be very productive in this crisis time also. Now, organization here can use various video session to make their employees learn about various technicalities which will come or various hurdles which will come while this virtual meetings. Here also HR plays a very important role because HR has to get the feedback of the employees, how they are feeling at home, what technicalities, what problems they are facing, how can this problem be sorted out, any suggestion the employees wants to give. All these things are taken care by the organization so that the work is carried on effectively. Now, this COVID-19 situation has led the organization to set up various task force teams. Here the organization itself, a group of members, accomplish them in a team that will only provide solution and messaging system to the employees. Now, this team will only provide or connects the message with the top level top level communities has to pass through the employees working in the organization. Because we all are at our home, at our comfort zone, every communication has to reach us. This team will make sure that all the communication are passed on. Now, I would like to share one example of Indigo Airlines. As we have seen, the aviation sector has been a major setback due to the lockdown. The flights are not going out, the profits are not being generated. There are many layoffs from the particular airlines, and this has led to a setback towards the employees also. Now how Indigo Airlines are maintaining this stressful situation, we are going to understand in this. Now they are connecting to their employees, communicating well to their employees. The employees who are feeling very stressed or very depressed, they are motivating them by arranging the session known as Zumba session for physical benefit as well as the mental health of their employees. They are also making sure that the goals and the vision of the organization are clear to their employees and making them remembering that why we started and we all belong to one family. And because of that, they have one motto that Indigo I stand for individuals. Individuals means the employees working in the organization. Hence, they are making sure and giving strength to their employees that we will not lay off you, we will not take out you from our organization. You are our asset and we will work together in this pandemic situation also. Now, this was only one example. Many organizations are coming with different tools to motivate their employees. We have seen that the advertisement of Kotak Mahindra Banks showcasing Ranveer Singh how eKYC is done virtually. Now, this is one of the online module tool accepted and explained by the bank or the banking system, in which they are making aware their customer that all your banking transaction can be done virtually also with the help of their virtual relationship managers. Another example I would like to share here is the cab holding company known as Ola. We all know that the traveling and the transport industry has also had a big setback when the initial lockdown was put in place. Here the traveling were restricted, hence Ola has to shut its operation completely. After this lockdown has been improvised a little more, Ola again started its operations, but here the work from home trend was also continued. We all have gone through the advertisement of Ola, what precautions they are taking for their customers as well as the drivers, how they are trained to maintain the social distancing as well as providing full sanitization to their cabs as well as the customers. Here Ola is also giving some of the important motivating tools to their employees who are working back office. Here the back office whole team is working from the home. Here they are giving 4 hours in a day just for their employees to work for their household purpose and rest of the hours for the company. This is a major initiative taken by the Ola that they care for the employee as well as their family members, giving them 4 hours in a day just to work for their home and after that work from the home.